Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Here and There. This is Ronald. I've been waiting for a long time to visit this place. It is none other than Germany's Black Forest. In this video, you will see Germany's largest cuckoo clocks. Germany's Black Forest is so special because of its unique natural landscape featuring a mosaic of forests, meadows and pastures, as well as centuries-old traditions are what make the Black Forest biosphere reserves so appealing. Black Forest is world famous for its cuckoo clocks. The story of clockmaking in the Black Forest begins around 1630. People in the Black Forest always crafted and carved using the local wood that was one of the few natural resources in the area, especially during the long winters when the land was covered with snow and they could hardly leave their houses. These clocks are damn expensive. Prices can go even more than 1000 euros depending on their artwork. More info about these clocks like where to buy, what to buy, normal or electric, etc. I'll tell you later. For your information, Black Forest is not only home for cuckoo clocks, but it is also famous for mountain hiking, Black Forest cake, which is probably the most well-known dessert of Germany, and it is also famous for glass making. More details about these in my coming videos, but in this video I'll be showing you two of the biggest cuckoo clocks in the world. I hope you like it. To see the second largest cuckoo clock, I travelled all the way to Breitnau, Baden-Württemberg. And from here I travelled 50 kilometers to see the world's largest cuckoo clock. Both are in the Black Forest. For the next few minutes, I will show you the cuckoo bird coming out of the biggest cuckoo clocks in the world. I hope you like it, so stay tuned and please watch this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and share.